Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today I am going to explain one question from the depreciation topic under straight line method. In the previous videos, I uploaded two questions from straight line method, and in this video, especially under straight line method, I am going to explain if the machine is sold, how to calculate the depreciation and how to show the machinery account or asset account under straight line method. Okay, then remaining calculations are same as usual, but especially when we sell the machine, in that particular point I will explain how to calculate depreciation and calculation of profit and loss on the particular assets. Okay, let us start our topic. Okay, here the question. This is textbook question number 9. Vardhan purchased a machine on 31st March 2017 for 70,000. Depreciation is charged at 10% under original cost method. After 3 years, he found that the machine was not suitable and sold for 55,000. Show the machinery account. Okay, so this is under straight line method. So they bought a machine for 70,000 and depreciation is 10%. After 3 years, the machine sold. So working note, here the date is March 31st, means the financial year starts from April 1st to March 31st. That is our Indian financial year. So at the end of 2018, 31st March, we should calculate the depreciation. So machine cost is 70,000 into 10 by 100, so equals to 7,000. That is the first year depreciation. That machine will continue in the second year, so that we should take second year full depreciation. Again 2019, 31st March, 70,000 into 10 by 100, 7,000. In the third year also the machine is going to work for 1 year, so that we should take 1 year depreciation. 2020, 31st March, 70,000 into 10 by 100 equals to 7,000. Okay, so 3 years depreciation we calculated, it is finished. Okay students, now I am going to explain how to calculate profit and loss on the machine. Okay, first we should write the cost of the machine. Okay, the cost of the machine is here 70,000, right? From this cost we should minus 3 years depreciation, less depreciation. First year 2017 2018, 7,000. Then second year 2018 and 2019, 7,000. Third year 2019 and 2020, 7,000. 3 years together it is 21,000. This 21,000 should minus from the cost 70,000. Now we are going to get net value of the machine is 49,000. From this net value of the machine we should minus the sale of the machine. The sale of the machine is given here 55,000. So from net value of the machine we should minus the sale of machine, then we will get remaining 6,000 is profit. That means here the net value of the machine is 49,000, it is less, selling price is more, so that here we are going to get 6,000 is profit. But when the net value is more and selling price is less, then we are going to get loss on the machine. Okay, so in this way we should calculate the profit or the loss on the particular machine. Okay, so here I am going to show how to prepare the machinery account. Okay, let us see. Now I am going to show the machinery account. Okay, so in this machinery account, okay, debit side we should show the cost of the machine Okay, the year is 2017 April 1st to bank. The cost is 70,000. Okay, on the credit side we should show the depreciation. Here the journal entry is depreciation account it are to machinery. So credit side 2018 March 31st by depreciation. Okay, we calculated depreciation here 7,000. So amount is 7,000. So nothing is there to post in this first year. So we should total on both sides. So debit side 70 and credit side 70. But credit side from 70,000 we should minus 7,000. Then remaining balance 63,000 we have to show. In front of the 63,000 we should write March 31st by balance CD 63,000. The same balance will be forward to the next year 2018 April 1st to balance BD 63,000. So in this year also the machine is going to work so that we should calculate depreciation. Already we calculated depreciation, we got 7,000. So we should write on the credit side 2019 March 31st by depreciation 7,000. So nothing is there to post here. Again we have to balance. So 63,000 and 63,000. Credit side from 63,000 we should minus 7,000. Then we will get 56,000. In front of the 56,000 we should write March 31st by balance CD. Okay. Next the same balance will be forward to the next year on the debit side 2019 April 1st to balance BD amount is 56,000. This year also the machine is going to work so that we should take the depreciation. The depreciation should be shown on the credit side. Okay, so here first we should write the depreciation 2020 March 31st by depreciation 7,000. So especially in the third year we should show the sale of the asset and profit also here. So when we sell the machine we should show on the credit side of the machinery account. So here the journal entry is bank account it are to machinery account. So that credit side March 31st we should show by bank within bracket sales amount is 55,000. So in this particular machine we got 6,000 profit. When profit will come the asset value will be increased. So that here the journal entry is machinery account it are to profit and loss account. So debit side this profit should be shown to profit and loss account within brackets profit amount is 6,000. So nothing to post here. Then both sides we have to total. When we do the total we are going to get the same answer 62,000 and 62,000. That means the machinery account is going to close so that there will not be any balance in the third year. Okay students, so in this way we should prepare machinery account and if you practice more problems from your textbook definitely you will get perfection and you will score very good marks in the examination. I think this topic is understood very well. If you like this topic please subscribe my channel iGlance YouTube channel, like and share. Okay, then I will meet you with another problem in the next video. Until then, thank you very much. Best of luck. Yours Mohan sir. Thank you very much. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for my more updates. Thank you very much.